welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Today we are making some sea bass in the oven. So a sea bass is clean. It came like this, got it already. See? So I'm gonna clean it again, but a lot has been done. Okay. Wash it with some apple cider vinegar. Ginger, garlic, jumbo stock, shallot, onion, and my signature. If you're used to this channel, you will see that I always use this, right? Anything. But this one here, remember I said that I'm not really into garlic like that, but when it comes to fish, I like a lot of garlic. For me, this is a lot. Green onion. Now, let's get started. This is your fish. Looks good, it tastes good. I guess. I know it tastes good. I haven't tasted it yet. Okay. Now, yeah, so you don't want to overcook it, so you put it like, it depends on how powerful your oven is. I cooked it on broil. So I think mine took a lot, like one side took like 25 minutes and the second side took like 20 minutes, because when one side is cooked, you know, the other one is cooking at the same time. So when you flip it, you are actually supposed to leave it there for less time. Hey, now I'm gonna make some fried plantain to eat with the sea bass. Okay, while we're waiting for the plantain, we can make some tomato sauce. I'm gonna be using tomato, garlic, onion, orange bell pepper. Of course, if you're not new to my channel, you know I always use this guy, the hot long pepper. Yeah, so let's do it. On the bottom. I'm gonna drop my signature. The sauce is good, but I'm gonna put a little bit of the half of the jumbo stock that I left. I used the half, the first half with the plantain. So this little touch. Okay, the sauce is done. Hey, here is fish, plantain and sauce, tomato sauce.